Hey guys, it's Miss Dales Reyes. Today we're multiplying polynomials. Okay, so we have 6x squared times 7x to the fourth. You want to multiply the coefficient to the coefficient, so that's going to give you 42. And then you're going to do the x squared with the x to the fourth, so that's going to give you x to the sixth. So remember, this is actually 2x's here, and there's 4x's here, so that's why there's 6. Or you can say it's because it's 2 plus 4. All right, so this one, you're going to take this term outside and you're going to distribute it into the binomial. So that's going to give you that's going to give you 4 times negative 2, which is negative 8. X squared times x squared is x to the fourth. Then you're going to multiply it in again, 4 times 3, that's positive 12. And then this one doesn't have variables, so you're just going to recopy your x squared. And this would be your final answer. 4s plus 2 times 4s minus 2. So 4 times 4 is 16. S times s is s squared. 4s times negative 2, that's negative 8 with an s. Then underneath here, 2 times 4 is positive 8 with an s. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Notice these two terms in the middle, those cancel each other. So your final answer is 16s squared minus 4. All right, so 5x minus 2 squared. Take a look at this notation. This squared indicates that you actually have two sets of these parentheses. It is a good idea to write it down. The common mistake, so here's what most kids do, that you square this one and you say 25x squared, and then you square that one and you say plus 4. This is not the right answer, so don't do it like that. Double distribute. So 5 times 5 is 25. X and x is x squared. 5x times negative 2 is negative 10x. And then underneath, negative 2 times 5, negative 10 with an x. Negative 2 times negative 2, positive 4. These do not cancel. You want to go ahead and combine like terms. So your final answer is 25x squared minus 20x plus 4. So your correct answer is A. All right, this one's a basic binomial times binomial, n minus 4 times 4n plus 3. So you'll distribute here. This is a 1. 1 times 4 is 4. N and n is n squared. Distribute. 1n times 3 is 3n. Underneath, that's negative 16n. Multiply underneath, that's negative 12. And then combine like terms. So 4n squared, and then this right here gives you negative 13n, and then minus 12. So that's your final answer, D. Okay, last one. This is a binomial times a trinomial because it is 2 terms in this first parentheses times 3 terms in the second set of parentheses. So watch how you distribute this. You're going to go in 3 times like that. So 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. B times b squared is going to give you b cubed. 4b times b is positive 4b squared. 4b times 1 is positive 4b. Now I'm going to go underneath. Negative 3 times negative 2b squared is positive 6b squared. Negative 3 times b is negative 3b, and negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Now you're going to combine like terms. I only have one cubic term, so that's going to be first. Remember, you want to write it in order from greatest to least by power. So this is going to be the first term since 3 is the highest power. I personally like to cross them out so I don't overcount or undercount. Next is going to be my squared terms, so I have 4 here. I have 6 here, so that's going to give me positive 10b squared. Then I have my b terms. I have 4 minus 3, so that's just positive b. And then the constant negative 3 is by itself, so this is your final answer. So the correct answer is D. Thanks for watching. Bye.